Oh, hey, come check this out. So these are the onions that we started 2.5 weeks ago from seed. We've got some red onions and some yellow onions, and these things grew up quick. I mean, by the looks of them, they are definitely ready for their first haircut, and honestly probably could have used it a few days ago. Now, if you're not sure what I mean by that, giving your onions a regular haircut throughout the seed starting process is something that's going to help them to thrive throughout the growing season. So let's take this tray over to the sink and work area, and you can follow along as we give them their first haircut. So once your onion starts get to about 4 or 5 inches in length, it's time to go through and give them a trim or a haircut. And this is something we do every couple of weeks throughout the seed starting process. So what I'm going to do here is just take a chunk of seedlings and trim them back to about 2 inches with a clean and sterilized pair of sharp scissors or garden shears. Now what this is going to do is it's going to take the energy that it's using to grow the top of the onion and refocus that energy to developing the bulb. If you're afraid of cutting them too short, you can keep them maintained a little bit longer, but last season I found that cutting back to 2 inches worked well for me, so that's how I'm doing it again for this season. So there we are, we've given these onions their little haircut, and again we're going to do that about every couple of weeks, right? Once they reach 4 inches tall, cut them back to 2, let them grow to 4, cut them back to 2, and you can repeat that up until about 2 weeks before you transplant outside. It's going to help these onions to be happier, healthier, and to grow larger bulbs during the outdoor growing season. So thanks again for following along, and we'll see you in the next one.